Good morning, everyone. Hope everyone is having a good day. Yeah, I have to have my coffee in a travel mug with the lid on top because my cat likes to headbutt my coffee cup and spill it all over the place. I don't know how many times I had to replace my keyboard on my computer. Cats. They have brain damage, you know. Okay, kind of breaking news. I am going to put the link down below to this court case, and I want to thank the person very much. I believe they are a PMO, but thank you very much, sweetie. I'm not going to mention your name for your protection, but they sent me the link to a court case that was filed in New York, and it looks like it was filed August 13th, 2021. And it's an abuse case. Now, we know New York had passed their thing where they had done away with the statute of limitations. And so, you know, anybody, and they made it easier for people to file lawsuits. Now, when I went to look for this court case, because the person just sent me the document, the latest document regarding the governing body. And so I actually went and, you know, found the actual court case and got all of the documents. And so, like I said, I'm going to put the link down below to this court case. But I'm going to read this document. It is dated October 29, 2021. So this is a recent filing. And this is in the Supreme Court of the State of New York, County of Kings. It's Kings County, New York. And what the defendants are Watchtower Bible Tract Society of New York, the governing body of Jehovah's Witnesses, John and Jane Does 1 through 10, as priests, clergy, staff, and administrators whose names are unknown to the plaintiff. And see, that's, you know, your smart lawyers will do that, so that they can add names later to this, you know, as they become available. And, you know, so this is the way to do it. But I'm going to read this. It is hereby agreed by and between counsel for the undersigned parties that Carl J. Sheriff, Esquire, is authorized and has accepted service of the summons and verified complaint on behalf of the 8 individual members of Defendant, the governing body of Jehovah's Witnesses, whom plaintiff would otherwise have served. The aforementioned defendant shall have until January 21st, 2022 to serve an answer or otherwise move in response to the complaint. This stipulation may be executed in counterparts with signatures exchanged electronically, PDF, or by fax, have the same effect as an original signature. So this is a stipulation that the governing body has been served. And of course, you know, they're not going to answer this personally. They're going to have their lawyer do it. But what's interesting is these lawyers, attorneys for the governing body Jehovah's Witnesses, Schneider, Harrison, Siegel, and Lewis. These are very high-priced lawyers. This is not an in-house lawyer team. No. These are good lawyers, high-priced lawyers. And then, of course, the plaintiff's lawyer is actually affiliated with the Zalkin law firm in New York. So, like I said, I'm going to put the link down below to this, and I am glad to see the governing body being served on these cases. Now, I also want to mention that when I was looking in the Kings County Supreme Court Clerk's Office website for all these cases, I did a search for Watchtower. In their search, you know, by name, for court cases. 3 pages of court cases that have Watchtower named in the original complaint came up. And so I started looking through some of these, and I found a bunch more. And I want to thank my dear friend in Illinois also, who's a paralegal, because she found some things, and when she gets a chance, I'm hoping, she can give me some insight on this, because one of them was very confusing. So anyway, we're working on that also. But this is what I counted. 29 cases this year alone, 2021, were filed naming Watchtower Bible Tract Society as one of the defendants. That's a lot for one county. One county. That's not the New York State. That's one county. Kings County Supreme Court. So, when you see the stress and strain on the governing body's face when they're doing these, broadcasts and their videos and the convention and the annual meeting, now you know why. I would like to know how many earth-wide court cases are they fighting right now. I think this is why they keep asking for lawyers and paralegals to help them out. And obviously, they have to hire a law firm to help them out. I hope that they have to pay out so much that it bankrupts them. Wouldn't that be wonderful that they have to file bankruptcy and restructure their organization? And also, there was an elder's manual that was supposed to come out in October. Well, we all know it's past October now. We're into November, and still no new revised elder's manual. Is this why? I don't know, but I'm just wondering, is this why? Because they have so many lawsuits, and we know that these elders manuals are being given to the prosecuting attorneys and is being used against them in these courts. I don't know, but that's a pretty good guess of why. Otherwise, they would have come out with a new elders manual. So, and we know that Watchtower is in damage control and to cover their backsides. They don't want the Jehovah's Witnesses to go online and see about these court cases. Well, guess what? It is getting known. Because the PMOs within the organization, bless their hearts, my goodness, they are doing a tremendous job of educating the rank and file to what is really going on. Just like this. I think this was a PMO that sent this to me. He's going to be showing it and passing it around everywhere. Good. This is what needs to be done. And we know Jehovah's Witnesses are watching, YouTube videos and reading, this information online. They know. They know what's going on. The only ones that have their head in their sand are ones like my mom and Mike's mom, who refuse to look at anything online. Like we said, nowadays you choose to be ignorant. So thank you so much, everybody, for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful weekend. Bye.